Here are some techniques to control the pace of your film. Cut on action. Cutting on action refers to editing a shot in the middle of an action, such as a person jumping or a car driving by. This technique can create a sense of momentum and flow. Montage. A montage is a sequence of shots that are edited together to create a progression of events. This technique can be used to show the passage of time or to convey a lot of information quickly. Jump cuts. A jump cut is an abrupt change between two shots of the same subject. This technique can be used to show the passage of time or to create an emotional effect. Have a clear ending. A clear ending can make your film more satisfying to the audience. Ensure that your film has a clear conclusion that ties up any loose ends and leaves the audience with a sense of closure. Collaborate with others. Collaboration is a vital aspect of film editing. Working alongside other professionals, such as writers, sound designers, and cinematographers, can help you to bring your vision to life and create a more polished final product. Be open to feedback and ideas from others, and don't be afraid to ask for help when needed. Use color grading to enhance the mood. Color grading is the process of adjusting the colors in your footage to create a specific mood or tone. It is an essential step in post-production that can enhance the overall feel of your film. For example, warm colors, such as yellow and orange, can create a cozy atmosphere, while cool colors, such as blue and green, can create a more calming environment. Practice, practice, practice. Like any other skill, film editing takes practice to master. The more you edit, the better you will become at identifying the shots and techniques that work best for your project. Take advantage of online resources, such as tutorials and forums, to learn new techniques and tools. Experiment with different styles and genres to broaden your skill set and gain experience. Film editing is an exciting and creative process that can take your film from good to great. By mastering these basics, you can create a polished and engaging final product that captivates your audience. Remember to stay organized, choose shots carefully, use transitions appropriately, pay attention to sound, pace your film appropriately, and collaborate with others. With practice and determination, you can become a skilled and successful film editor. Embrace the storytelling process. At the heart of film editing is the art of storytelling. Every shot and sequence should serve a purpose in telling the story effectively. As a film editor, you must embrace the storytelling process and be open to making changes that best serve the story. This might mean cutting a shot or sequence that you love, but that ultimately distracts from the narrative. Remember that film editing is about making choices that serve the story best, even if it means letting go of something you're attached to. Use visual effects and animation to enhance your story. Visual effects and animation can be powerful tools for enhancing your story, adding depth and creativity to your shots. Whether you're adding an explosion to an action sequence or using animation to illustrate a concept, these techniques can take your film to the next level. Of course, it's essential to use these tools wisely and not overdo them, as they can quickly become distracting if not used thoughtfully. Work closely with your visual effects team to ensure that the effects are not only impressive but also supportive of the story. Take breaks and rest. Film editing can be both mentally and physically exhausting. It's essential to take breaks and rest when needed to avoid burnout. Take a walk outside, stretch or do some exercises. Dedicate some time to do something not related to film editing, like spending time with friends and family or exploring a hobby. Taking breaks not only helps you to recharge but can also bring fresh perspective and new ideas to your project. Perfect your organization system. Keeping your footage organized is a key aspect of effective film editing.